Hey, am I speaking with Mohit?
Yes, I am Mohit.
Hi, Mohit. This is Victoria from Marfa Real Estate. Are you currently looking to buy a property?
Yes, I'm looking to buy a property.
That's great to hear, Mohit. When are you planning to make the purchase? For example, is it this month or maybe in the next couple of months?
Yeah, maybe like next month or like maybe around 3 months.
Thanks for sharing that, Mohit. I'll make a note of your timeline to ensure we assist you at the right time. Thanks for confirming, Mohit. Would you like me to recommend some properties that might interest you?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Mohit. Let's start with a few details to narrow down the options. Which area are you looking to buy a property in? For example, Dubai Production City, Jumeirah Lakes Towers, or Dubai Land?
Mm, So let's do it for Motor City.
Got it, Mohit. You're interested in Motor City. What type of property are you
Yes.
looking for? For example, an apartment, villa, townhouse, or duplex?
Yes, I'm
All right,
interested in apartment.
how many bedrooms are you looking for in the apartment, Mohit?
Two bedrooms, maybe like 2 to 4 bedrooms, something like that.
Got it, Mohit. So, you're looking for an apartment with 2 to 4 bedrooms. What's your budget range for this property?
My budget is around 15 million to 20 million.
Thanks for sharing, Mohit. Let me find some properties in Motor City that match your preferences for a 2 to 4 bedroom apartment within your budget range of 15 million to 20 million AED. Mohit, I found a great option for you in Motor City. It's a 2 bedroom apartment in Soba Orbis. The price is 1,700,000 AED with a size of 984 SQ. Fun. The developer is Saba Group, and the property is set to be completed by Q4 2027. Would you like me to share more details about this property?
Yeah, so can you tell me a bit more about the amenities?
Sure, Mohit. This apartment in Sobha Orbis comes with some fantastic amenities, including a sky garden, jacuzzi, kids' play area, BBQ spaces, kids' pool, swimming pool, sun loungers, a fully equipped gymnasium, and podium level facilities. It also offers excellent accessibility, being just 6 minutes from Mohammed bin Zayed Road, 19 minutes from Dubai Mall, and 22 minutes from Dubai International Airport. Does this sound like something you'd be interested in exploring further?
Yeah, this property is interested. By the way, what is like a short description of this property?
This property is a spacious 2 bedroom apartment in Soba Orbis, designed with luxury and comfort in mind. It offers a modern living experience with top notch amenities.
And okay, that's fine. Who is the developer of this property?
The developer of this property is Sobha Group, a highly reputable name known for delivering high quality and luxurious developments. Would you like me to arrange an appointment with an agent to discuss this property further?
Yeah, that would be great. Let's do it.
Thanks for confirming your interest in this property, Mohit. I'll make sure to note down your details for this property. All right, Mohit. To book the appointment, could you first let me know which country you're currently in?
Yeah, I am currently in India.
Great, Mohit. Could you let me know the date and time you'd prefer for the appointment?
Yeah, let's book an appointment for tomorrow at 3 p.m.
All right, Mohit. Let me check the availability for tomorrow at 3 p.m. in India. Hold on for a moment. Good news, Mohit. The time slot for tomorrow at 3 p.m. is available. I'll go ahead and book the appointment for you. Let me confirm your email first. Is it mohit@chronoai.agency? Let me spell it out for
Yes,
you.
yes, yes, the email is correct.
Booking the appointment for tomorrow at 3 p.m. for the 2 bedroom apartment in Soba Orbis, Motor City, Dubai. Your appointment has been successfully booked for tomorrow at 3 p.m. Mohit to discuss the 2 bedroom apartment in Soba Orbis, Motor City, Dubai. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
By the way, can you tell me a bit more about your company?
Of course, Mohit. Marfa Real Estate is a trusted name in the real estate industry dedicated to helping clients find their dream properties. We specialize in offering a wide range of properties from luxurious apartments to spacious villas, tailored to meet your needs. Our team is committed to providing personalized service and expert guidance throughout your property journey. And just so you know, I was designed by Mr. Shaw from Marfa to assist clients like you seamlessly. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
No, that's fine.
Thank you, Mohit, for your time today. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Alright guys, so now you have seen the appointment for tomorrow at 3 p.m. has successfully booked for the address, which is 2BR apartment in Soba Orbis, Motor City, Dubai. And that's not at all. We have also got the actually this is the one, and we also got the lead of the call, which is the name, number, the property in which they are interested, and the timeline. So as I said that I'm going to buy the property in 3 months later, so you can also see the timeline. And there is one more thing, which is the transcript. So you can also see the transcript of my call, then the summary, and you can also download the URL. So this is a recording, so you can also hear the recording from the Google Sheet. Alright guys, so now you have seen the demo of an AI voice agent which can book the appointments, qualify the leads, recommend some property, and most importantly work as a customer support agent. And this AI agent can work for any type of business, no matter whatever business you are running. Even you are running a real estate business or an e-commerce brand or a dentist business or home automation company or even any type of agency, this agent can work for your business as best as possible. And the most important part of this agent that they are totally automated 24/7. You don't need anything at all. All you need to do is just give them the lead and they are going to qualify them one by one. And that's why here I am in this video. I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI voice agent for your business to qualify the leads and recommend the properties, booking the appointment, or work as a customer support agent. And even if you haven't built any type of agent and you are a completely new beginner, you don't have to worry about that because I'm going to show you totally from scratch. So without wasting any further time, let's start building it. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency where I help businesses to grow their business with the help of AI automation. Either it can be a chatbot or a voice agent. So if you want to work with me, then hit the description. There's my website link. From there, you can just book a free call with me and we can discuss how we can integrate AI automation into your business. Now, without wasting any further time, let's start building this. First of all of the resources of this video is in the description, so you can just download them for free. So the first thing is the platform. So we are going to use the Retell AI, and Retell AI is one of the best platforms when it's come to building a voice agent because it offers a bunch of really amazing features that are really amazing. So all you have to do is just sign up into Retell AI. By the way, if you don't have any account, then in the description there is sign up link. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you are going to sign up, you are going to see a dashboard like this one. So this is the dashboard of Retell AI, and you can see multiple features here on the left hand, which is agent. From here we can create our agent. Then the next thing is knowledge base. So all you have to do is just upload your knowledge base because it will work as a customer support agent. So just click on the add button, enter whatever name you wanted, let's say YT, and click on the add document, and now you can upload your website as a knowledge base, or even if you have a document file you can upload it. So once you're going to upload your knowledge, just click on the save button, but I already got my knowledge base, so I'm not going to upload new one. Then the next thing is phone number. Now we need to upload a phone number which is going to be connected with the voice agent. So all you have to do is just click on the add button, and you can buy a new phone number from here, which is basically USA phone number, and you can also connect the phone number from this. So this is basically SIP trunking. You can use platform like Tulio or something like that to connect the phone number. Just enter your phone number, termination URL, SIP trunking username and password, and just click on the save button, and then you are going to have your phone number like this. Then all you need to do is just select the phone number, and for outbound calls select the agent, and for inbound calls select the inbound agent. Then the next thing is call history. From here you can see every single detail of the call. So you can see these are all of the calls and all the call history. You can see the transcript. Actually this is not the one, but this is the one. You can see the number, the phone, the duration, the call. You can also see the summary of the call. You can also see all of the transcript, the data logs, and all of the details of the calls, like it was positive or not, who is the one who ended, it was successful or not, agent is the one who hang up. You can see the numbers here from where to where the call was gone, and you can also hear the recordings and you can download them too. Alright, so that was all about the call history part. Now we are going to start creating our voice agent. So once you are going to log in into dashboard, you are going to see a button known as create an agent. Just click on this, and now we are going to select the multi-prompt agents because we are going to run multiple functions. So we need multi-prompt agent for that. Just click on this, and as I said that I'm going to explain you totally from scratch. So just click on this, start from blank, and once you're going to click on this, you're going to have your agent, but I'm not going to create one because I already got one. So this is my agent. So from here you can change the name, which is my agent name is Marfa Real Estate Outbound Agent, so you can edit the name from here. Alright, so first of all we are going to select the provider, and right now I am using GPT-4o, which is best because it only cost me $0.025 per minute, and this is cost friendly, and actually it is much more better compared to others. Then the next thing is voice, and I prefer Kate when it's come to Retell AI. So you can also use Kate voice, and you can also hear voice. Just click on this, and then you're going to hear the voices of every single models, and just click on this, and from here you can just select the voices. So I'm using Kate. Then from here you can edit the 11 labs version. Right now I'm using 11 labs turbo v2.5, which is like high quality, fast, and multi-language. Then just click on the save button, and if you want to change the language, from here you can change the language, English, UK, Spanish, so whatever language you prefer, just change it from here. And this is the system prompt. Well, I'm going to explain you later that part. First of all, let's see the functions. So from here we are going to add multiple functions. So basically we are going to use two functions. Number one is end call function, and the second function is transfer call. So end call function is to end the call with the agent, and then the next function is transfer call, to transfer the call to a human agent. So if agent feels like that, like something is wrong in the call, or if the agent or if the user is angry, so it is going to transfer the call to a real human. Then the next thing is knowledge base. If you already have uploaded your knowledge base, just click on this and select it from here. Then our next thing is speech setting, and this is an important part because from here you can set a background sound. So right now I'm using call center. You can change the sensitivity from here. It is on 0.3 because I think 0.3 is good. Now responsiveness, set it on 1. Actually it is going to be how fast the AI is going to respond. Then the next thing is interruption sensitivity, let it be on 0.7. So this is great. And enable back channeling, just enable this one because it will make the conversation more real and much more better. So that AI is going to use words like okay, I see. So it will create the conversation more real and more human as possible. Then enable this one to enable speech normalization and disable the transcript formatting. Then the next thing is call setting, and from call setting you can set the max call duration, and also you can add end call on silence. So if the user is silent and not saying anything at all, it is going to end the call after 55 seconds, and the max call duration is 10 minutes 30 seconds. And this one pause before speaking is 0 seconds, so it will decrease the latency. Okay, so this was all about the functions and features of the Retell AI, and from right side you can test your agent. Just click on the test button, and from here you can test your agent. And the great part about Retell AI is that you can also test in LLM. So you can see this is the LLM model. From here you can just test it by just typing. So like this is the great part about Retell AI because you don't have to call the agent every single time because you can just test it as a chatbot. Okay, let's come to our main thing, which is basically this. So this is the system prompt, and this is one of the important thing when it's come to Retell AI because I'm going to show you how you can build your own system prompt. So first of all, the main thing is role. In here we are going to determine the role of our agent. So the role of Victoria is you are a friendly consultant at Marfa Real Estate. Your job is to ask the user that they are interested in buying a property or not. If yes, then help dreamer find their dream property. So this is the role of Victoria. Then there are specific, which is basically make to conversation more real, this one. Then there are more things like this. So to transfer the call, it is going to run the transfer call function. From here you can add the transfer call function, and from here we are giving the instruction to the AI, or I can say the permission to the AI to transfer the call. And the next function is to end call function, to end the call when the conversation is ended. Then there is one more thing, which is phone number of the user, and all of these things in the curly brackets are variable. So we need to upload the variable in double curly brackets. So this is the first name of the user, this is the email ID, and this is the phone number, and we are going to provide all of these things from our Google Sheet. So I'm going to explain that part too. First of all, let's finish our Retell AI part, and there are notes to make the conversation more real and much more better. So these are all of the notes. Then there are important notes, which is basically for property recommendation part, and all of these things are appointment scheduling and property recommendation and lead capture past. So you don't have to do anything at all, just copy all of these resources from my resources and paste it into your Retell AI prompt. So once you're going to have this thing, then your agent is going to work. But there is one more thing, which is basically first message. So from here we need to select the defined begin message, and from here all you have to do is just enter, hey, am I speaking with first name. So we are using a variable which is first name. Alright, so that was a main system prompt, but now we need small prompt. So just click on the edit prompt tree, and now you can see there are 3 states. So all you have to do is just click on the new state button. So you are going to have your states, and then you can add your prompt here. So I already have my state, so I'm not going to create a new state. I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, so this is fine. So there are 3 states. Number 1 is intro, second one is property recommendation, and the third one is schedule a meeting. So I'm not going to explain you the property recommendation part and the schedule a meeting part, because I have already created a video on property recommendation and schedule a meeting part. So you can watch all of these video in my channel, and I'm also going to attach the video in my description, so you can just watch it from there too. By the way, also you can watch it by clicking on the I button. So the intro state is basically to collect the leads, and this is the instruction of like the flow of, or I can say the script of the our call. So this is the prompt, which is your Victoria, a friendly real estate assistant at Marfa Real Estate. You are calling to see if the person is interested in buying a property or not. So this is the process, just an example. First of all, this is the first message, which is, hi, is this first name. This is the variable. So if I if I enter my first name Mohit in my Google Sheet, then it is going to say, hey, is this Mohit? This is Victoria from Marfa Real Estate. So this is the variable that we are using, and then it is going to say, are you looking to buy a property? So overall, this is the script of our agent. So you can change it, or if you want same as it, just let it be. But if you want to change the script of your call, then you can change it from here. So this is the overall script from property recommendation to like all of the script from starting to property recommendation. Then there are some important notes, like if the user want to recommend the property, then transition to the property recommendation part, which is basically our second state, this one, property recommendation. And as I said, that I'm not going to explain you all of these things because it will create a very lengthy video, and because I have already created a video on property recommendation and schedule a meeting agent, so you can just watch them. There are few more things that we need to add. So like these, all of these things are basically to capture the lead of the user. So you can see this is the function. So all you have to do is just copy this from my resources and paste it here, and if you make any adjustments, then just adjust them. And actually this is pretty simple. All you have to do is just read it, and if it feels like that your business running in a different way, so you can just change it from here. And we are going to add multiple functions here though. So our first function is lead capture function. So just click on the add button and custom function. Well, I'm not going to do it because I already have my function. So this is the lead capture function. Copy and paste the name as same, because we are going to use this name in our prompt. So you can see this is the name, lead capture. So we need the name, both of the name same, the function name here and the here. So we need both of the names same. So lead capture, and this function is to capture the lead of the user with name, number, and buying timeline. So you can see this is the, actually this is not the one, this is the one. So you can see this is the lead of my all of the details, that Mohit, my phone number, and then the property that I like. So this is the lead. So I'm capturing the lead from here. So this function is running for that. So you can see the parameters, which is basically optional, but we are going to use it because we need them. So this is the phone number. So this is the phone number description. Then this is the buying timeline, and this is the description for buying timeline, and this is the full name of the agent, or I can say the first name. And these are the required thing, which is full name, phone number, and buying timeline. And also you can enable this one thing, speak during execution. So AI is going to speak something when the function is going to be executed, or I can say the when the function is running, AI is going to speak something and speak after execution. So enable both of these things. The next thing is property recommendation part. So this is the prompt for property recommendation. Well, I'm going to provide you this one in the resources, so just copy it and paste it here. And as I said, I'm not going to explain you everything, but let's just have a look overall. So this is a find property function to find the property, and this is the make.com URL. I'm going to show you how to get the make.com URL too, so you will not get confused with that. So, and this is the parameter for that. This is basically all of the budget, number of bedrooms, and description and requirement, which is for property recommendation part. Then our next function is property lead capture, and this function is to capture the lead of the property. So in the Google Sheet you can see there are two leads. Basically number one lead is the empty one, and the next lead is with the property address, so the requirements. So we are going to capture the leads multiple times. Number one is without the property, then the second one is if the user is interested in any type of property, then with the property. Okay, so this is the webhook for that, and this is the description, collect the number and interested property details, and this is the name. And there are parameters, which is basically numbers of bedrooms. So this is the description of numbers of bedroom, buying timeline, and description for this. Then full name of the user, then property type, like what type of property they are looking for, apartment, villa, or something like that, and their budget range, and the phone number and the location too. So all of these things are required for to run this function and enable this one too. So this was the property recommendation part and capture the lead part. Then there is one more function to schedule a meeting with an agent. So this is the prompt that we are going to use. Again, all you have to do is just copy it and paste it from my resources. And this is the function which is check availability function. So again, I have already created a video on that one. You can just watch it from clicking on the I button. Just click there and you can watch the video for free. Then this is the webhook for that, and this is the parameters, which is basically country, from there they belong. So we are asking for the country to get the time zone, because if we are calling internationally, then every single country has a different time zone, so we need to confirm what is the country there where they belong, so we are getting their time zone. The next thing is the time and date when they like to book an appointment, and these are the required things. And there is one more, which is booking an appointment. So number one function is to check the availability. If the time is available, then it is going to run this function to book an appointment. So this one is for with name, country, and the time, and the notes. So basically notes is the address of the property that which we selected. So you can see in the Google Calendar the appointment has been booked for tomorrow, and you can see this is the node. So this is the node which is property address, and this is the time, and this is the email ID which is going to be provided in the email leads. Or if the email is not available in the email list, then the AI voice agent is going to ask them to confirm their email. Okay, so we are going to get back to our Retell AI, and you can enable this one too, and these are the required thing, which is basically email, name, time, notes, and country. Alright guys, so I've shown you everything about the Retell AI part, so that's all we need to do it in our Retell AI. Now we need to use our second platform, which is make.com, to run all of these functions. Alright guys, here we are in our make.com, and this is make.com. By the way, if you don't have any account in make.com, then in the description there is sign up link, so from there you can just sign up for free and you will get 10,000, or I guess 1,000 operation for free. And once you're going to sign up, so all you have to do is just import all of my templates from here. Just click on this and import the blueprint from here and select it, and you can download all of the templates of make.com from my resources. So just download them from there and import it here. And once you're going to import it, you are going to have all of the templates. By the way, this is the first template. So this one is to call the person. So first of all, we are using a Google Sheet, so just add your Google Sheet. By the way, this is the Google Sheet, which is this. So there are multiple columns. Number one column is phone number, so this is the phone number of the user. So we are using this Google Sheet. Just upload the phone number with the format. Basically this is the country code. In the starting you need to add the country code, so this is the country code 91. Then enter the number, then enter the first name, which is Mohit, then this is my email ID, and this is the status. So set the status on not cold. Alright, so if the status is in the not called, then the AI is going to call them, and then it is going to be converted with So basically if you want to call someone, then just set it with a not call, then the AI is going to call them. But we need to run the function in make.com. Then you can see the transcript, the summary, and the recording URL. From here you can download the recording. Let's get back to our make.com. So in this first model we are actually getting which one status is not called, then it is going to take the data from there in the Google Sheet, and there is limit that like it is going to call 5% every single time. So if I click on the run once, so it is going to take the 5 data from the Google Sheet. So you can change it, like if you want to call 10% at once, so you can just change this one with 10, but I recommend you to call at least like 5% or something like 5 or 3, something like that. So I set it 5, let it just be 5. Okay, so the next model is the Retell AI model, which is basically from here you can just select the number from where you want to call. Then this is a variable which is from Google Sheet, just select the phone number here. The next thing is the first name, so this is the first name of the user, this is also the variable. Then the email ID of the user, then the phone name. Basically this one is unnecessary. And the next thing is phone number, so just add all of the variables into your make.com and click on the save button. Then our next module is to update a row, because we already have called the, like if I said, so this is not the one, so this is the one. So if this is not called and once AI is going to call them, it is going to be changed to called. So we need our next module to change this row. This is a variable which is basically row number, and to change the status being called. Okay, so we are using this last module for that. Alright guys, so this is the first template to call the person. Then we are going to use our next template. Alright guys, so here we are. This is our next template, which is basically end result, and this is the outbound agent. So this one is to update all of these things. Let me show you. So we are using this model to update the transcript, the summary, and the call recording. So first of all, set a webhook here. Just set up a webhook and copy the address from here, and then you need to upload your webhook address into Retell AI. So in the webhook setting, you can see this is the webhook setting. In the agent level webhook URL, upload your web URL here. So first you need to add a URL here and copy it from here and upload it here. That's all you need to do. Okay, alright, so our next model is Google Sheet model. Just click on this and from here you can upload your Google Sheet. Then you need to select your Google Sheet from here. Just let it be select from my drive and select your Google Sheet from here, and then select the filter by phone number and upload your phone number variable here, which is basically from phone number. Then let it be this one. Okay, that's all fine. All you have to do is just do that part, and then we are using ChatGPT model. So number one model is, alright guys, so we are using our ChatGPT model to convert the transcript into so this is a call transcript, so we need to convert this one into a summary. So we are using this model to convert it into a short summary of the transcript so that we can upload it into our Google Sheet. So just use this one, and this one is basically useless. Just delete this one, you don't need that. Then the next thing is a Google Sheet. So from here just upload your Google Sheet again. From here select it, and I'm selecting this one with my spreadsheet ID. Then in the sheet name, lead list, then in the row number, this is a variable row number, and then in the transcript just select the variable which is transcript. So this one variable is from the our Retell AI, and this is the content of the ChatGPT model. Basically this is the summary, and this is the recording URL from our Retell AI. So use this one here and just click on the save button. So once you're going to have it, this is done. All of the make.com part is also done, but in this video I only explain you the cold calling part, because the property recommendation part and the appointment booking part is already done in my channel. If you want to watch it, just watch it in the description. All of the videos are in the description. That property recommendation part and that appointment booking part, both of the videos are in the description. From there you can just watch it. So there is one more make.com scenario that we need to use, and this one is basically outbound lead generation. So just set up a webhook here, and it's very simple. All you have to do is just two models. Number one is webhook. Add a webhook from here and copy the webhook into your clipboard. Then go to the Retell AI, and let me tell you from you need to paste all of your webhooks here. So this is in the your URL. All you have to do is just copy the webhook and paste it there. So this one is the lead capture, so just copy the URL and paste it here, and then select the Google Sheet and add a row, then select it from here, spreadsheet ID, then this is the name of the user, this is the phone number, this is the location, this is the property type, this is the budget range, number of bedrooms, and the timeline. So in the property, in the lead list, you can see all of these details. So this is lead list outcome, and this is all the details of our lead list. So we are using this model to capture all of these detail in our lead list. Yeah, so that's all for this one. So yeah, just click on the save button and save from here. Alright guys, that's all for today. I have shown you how to create an outbound voice agent totally from scratch. By the way, all of the resources are in the description. From there you can just download them, and all you need to do is just copy it and paste it, all of the prompts, the parameters, and make.com templates. And these voice agent can be work for any type of business, no matter whatever type of business you are running, even a real estate business, a e-commerce business, a restaurant business, or any type of agency. So that's all for today. By the way, if you want to work with me, then in the description there's my website link. From there you can just book a free call with me, and we can discuss how we can integrate AI automation into your business. That's all for today. I'm going to see you in another video. Until then, bye.